What's up guys, RT Tech here. Today we're looking at the top 5 mechanical gaming keyboards under £50. Now first off, we have the TechWare Phantom 87 RGB. As the name implies, it has an 87 key layout. It is also very modern looking with a nice simple board and plate. This keyboard also features full end key rollover. That basically means you can press as many keys as you want and it will register, which makes it ideal for gaming. This keyboard is fully RGB and has multiple modes and settings. It has extra switches included, and all the switches are hot swappable, meaning you can easily pop off the switches and keycaps without any soldering. To make things even easier, there is also a keycap and key switch remover. It is located at the back of the keyboard. But one of the cons of this keyboard is that the cable is non-removable. Here are some of the RGB lighting effects. Next up is the Magic 468 from Quizon. This is one of the most popular compact keyboards. This keyboard is very affordable and customizable, and it has a removable micro USB cable. This one is all white, and this also has full end key rollover. Overall, it's a very small and compact 60% layout keyboard. It is not going to take much space on your desk. Unfortunately, it has no RGB lighting, so no effects there. Next up on this list, we have the Red Dragon Kumara K55 RGB. This is a great option and one of the most highly rated on Amazon. This one is also fully RGB with full end key rollover and stuff like that. The construction of this keyboard stands out compared to the others because of its zero heavy metal ABS construction. Unfortunately, the cable is non-removable and the Red Dragon logo is not really in an ideal location because it is always illuminated in red, so that ruins the RGB effect overall. But still, here are some of the RGB effects. Next up, we have the RK61 from Royal Clutch. As the name implies, it has a 61 key layout. This model only has the ice blue LED. This keyboard can be used either wired or wirelessly, and you can connect to 3 devices at once, 2 wirelessly and 1 wired. but it only has 6 key rollover and no back feed. Still, here are some of those ice blue LED lighting effects. Finally, we have the RK Sync 87G from Royal Clutch. This one is full RGB and has a minimalistic design with an 87 key layout. This one also has full end key rollover and the removable cable is USB-C, so yes, Royal Clutch are getting with the times. This keyboard can be used either wired or wirelessly, and you can connect to 3 devices at once, 2 wirelessly and 1 wired. To add to that, they include a USB receiver in the box as well. Best of all, this keyboard has onboard macro recording, which is really cool because you don't need additional software. Here are some of the RGB lighting effects. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, so please hit the like button and subscribe for more endless tech.